Make a great choice today with the 2010 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, adjustable headrests, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, iPod adapter, center armrest, side airbag system, clock, trip odometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.